Welcome internet to my garden on what is an absolutely freezing day, but it is sunny nonetheless. The kids are off school because of lockdown and we are planning the beginning of a new project, one that we've actually been thinking of for quite a long time to just solve a few challenges that we have in our garden. Last bit of sun in our garden is up there, so that is where we are going to end up sitting. We're calling it the sunset platform, and we want to be able to see over the fence, catch the last of the daily sun and enjoy our surroundings to their maximum. So what we have got, we have acquired from a wonderful local visitor attraction, we have acquired some play equipment, some old play equipment that we're going to salvage the wood from. So the kids are currently scrambling all over it, and these towers we are going to disassemble and they're going to provide the materials for a lot of what we're going to do with this platform. Posts are up now, as you might be able to see behind me. To be honest, that's the bit I really don't like doing, getting all that set. But once the square is square and the foundations are set, the poles are in, now it can get interesting. It's time to start thinking about how we're going to put it all together. Now, this is one of those projects that I really enjoy because I have absolutely no idea how it's going to go together, and I can just think of it as we go. There is that saying that failure to plan is planning to fail, but I would challenge that on some projects like this one, where actually failing to plan in detail creates a spirit of, or leaves space for ingenuity, for imagination, for creativity to sort of flourish. And not knowing how it's going together is actually one of the things that makes it really enjoyable for me, because I am now free to work it out and if I know the destination at the beginning, I kind of get bored of the project. I like to work it out and keep it new and fresh, and it will probably, anything I've got in my mind now is quite possibly not what we're going to end up with. Right guys, we are chasing down the end of this project, to use my favourite expression. Managed to get all the handrail done. It's nice and secure. I have routed the edges so they don't look quite so much like flat timber. We've routed the edges of the 8x2 that I've put on top. 8x2 that I've put on top just to finish it off nicely and protect all those screw holes, because those big screws, they do create quite a water trap, and I'm aware that this timber is not particularly weather resistant on its own, so I'm taking the opportunity now, it's mostly dry, to paint it. I've got this Wagner electric sprayer, so I'm going to quickly get over this with some fence paint just to give it a bit of protection. But that is basically the last job. There we go, we finished. It's all looking pretty good. It was actually really quite a quick project, which was ideal. So now we can just enjoy it. It's doing exactly what we want. Sat here now in the last of the evening sun in our garden. Sun is going down. Beer on the go. Happy days. So thanks for watching to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will, as always, see you next time.